sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Shresh Gupta. Presently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Sri Ramdev College of Engineering, Nagpur. I consistently stood first in my graduating years. Across the entire span, I participated and managed various technical as well as non-technical events, which enhanced my project management skills. Recently, I led the technical cup for the team and for the branch cup. I worked on a project titled Design, Development and Fabrication of Groundnut Decorticator. Apart from this, currently I am interning with Sagacious IP as a patent analyst intern. I joined Sagacious in January 2021 as an intern for 6 months. And there I'm learning about the corporate culture and IP industry and ways to be professional at work. Additionally, I've also undergone an internship at the Ministry of Railways, that is Southeast Railway Company, for a week. As I have a peculiar personality, I am a kind of person who is tenacious wherever there is an output. Further, I am a versatile, a quick learner, and a team player. Thus, I enjoy working with different peoples, and this helped me to yield the output, best output. And also, I possess a family business background. I have a grown interest in business management and general management, which works as a helping hand for me to manage the task, and I have to work on. I belong to Orange City, Nagpur. I live here with a family of five: my parents, a younger brother, and my grandmother. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a homemaker. During my free time, I love to play outdoor games and to travel. This assists me to meet new people and understand different personalities and culture. Right now, I'm looking for an opportunity to apply and enhance my technical as well as managerial skills from a college like NITIE. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Suresh, so you are doing job somewhere?
So I'm interning in Sagacious IP.
When did you graduate?
So I'm in 8th sem.
8th sem, so you are still doing internship.
Yes.
So what you are learning there?
So basically it is an IP industry. IP means intellectual property.
Yes.
I am working as a engineer. I am working in an engineering searching team as a patent analyst intern, where I analyze the client's data and compare them with the previous patents and give them a report regarding that.
Okay, so I want to ask you, Shresh, there is something peculiar about patenting of research papers or research work in Indian universities, something like engineering, because you're technocrats, you must be knowing. Tell me, what is the trouble with the patentable research in India?
So basically, many of them don't go for patent because it is a costlier process, and patents requires money and also the time span which is used to detect the novelty and the uniqueness of the patent.
So how can you reduce that patentable cost actually? How can we do that?
So as I am in a Sagacious, we come through the patents which are not obvious. So we tell the client that that is not the correct patent to patentize. So they will not require
what is the typical cost incurred on patenting in a research institute?
In a research institute,
like engineering college or academic institute.
So in the college, basically, if we file patent with some professors, then will not require any cost. The reason behind that is I don't know the reason behind that, but okay. I know that
there is a profile called patent analyst.
Yes, sir.
What is? Tell us something about that.
The patent analyst is a profession where we analyze the patents, and as per the requirement of client, we as per the requirement of client, we analyze the patents and give them the output.
Okay, Shresh, tell me something about intellectual property rights.
Intellectual property rights are given to some of the documents, protectable rights to the documents, so that no one can copy them, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks, etc.
Okay, so what is tangible and intangible properties?
Tangible and intangible property. Yes, sir. So basically, tangible properties are intellectual property, and intangible properties are project properties. That is tangible, we cannot see that, and intangible, we can feel and we can see that.
So what is the difference between copyright and trademark, copyright and patent?
So basically, copyright is a document which protects, copyright is a right which protects the artistic work, such as books, music, and movies. And patent is a right which protects the invention of the inventors.
Okay, now my question to you, Shresh,
Yes,
is like, suppose your PD as organization wants to get patent on its certain domains of counseling students. Can we do that?
the patent of what? Sorry, sir.
Counseling the students on particular domain. Can we do that?
No, sir. It cannot be patentized. It can be copyright.
But how can we even copyright counseling?
So we cannot copyright the counseling. We can copyright the. Sorry, sir. It is echoing.
Okay, go ahead. Don't worry.
So basically, we can copyright the videos and audio and documents also.
How NITIE is going to help you? Have you seen some kind of work going on in NITIE in related to patenting?
Related to patenting, I am interning in the company. I want to build my career in a corporate culture. NITIE will be the best place to magnify my managerial and make me an industry-ready, skilled person.
Can you name some big companies dealing in patenting as of now?
So I was working in the patent which was of the Mercedes. It was of the catalytic converter. And also Tesla is working on the autonomous vehicle.
No,
Yes,
I'm talking about the companies which actually are only handling the patents.
so I know about the Shagesius.
Okay, so any entrepreneurial opportunity in this direction for you?
In this direction, in the patent analyst intern?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay. So, Suresh, let me give you the analysis. I give you 6.5 out of 10. Huh?
Okay, sir.
You end your introduction at patenting internship.
Yes, sir.
What is patenting? What are intellectual property rights? Just Google it out. I will also send you the document related to patenting and intellectual property right.
Okay, sir.
So just prepare it very well, because your entire interview can go in that direction.
Okay, sir.
Just go through the Ministry of HRD website or something and find out how many patents are filed in India. Compared to US and China, patents filed in educational institute in India are very less. Or for that matter, any entire patents filed in India. Another thing is, filing patent is costly affair, okay. Then how can we reduce that cost? Can professor or educational institute have their own patent analyst? Because the maximum cost is related to those people only. So why can't educational institute have their own patent analyst inside? Next is filing patent is not a problem, but commercial viability of that patent is very important. Commercial viability of the patent is very important, right? Maybe I have asked these questions to IIT Delhi director in one of my interviews with him. So he has answered these things, patents. So quality research, patenting. Shresh, take your interview in that direction.
Yes, sir.
And prove them that you want to join NITIE because you want to work in this direction and you find the scope in this direction. And how, when you file the patent for national rights and international rights, how it is different. So just find out the answers for that.
Yes, sir.
Your getup is good, आपको बैठने का style अच्छा है, background is good, everything else is good, and just try to now bring more confidence in you. You know, actually you are looking like nervous, so bring more confidence in you, that will be required.
Okay, sir.
Confidence and flow, और अपना जो introduction आपने शुरू में दिया उसको थोड़ा सा reduce करने की try करो और उसको interesting बनाओ. See, it is not that how much you speak, it is like how much how much he gets interested in you.
Yes, sir.
उसका interest generate induce करना is very important. So you have to speak in such a way that he gets interested in you.
Okay.
Do, something like that, right?
Hmm.
उस तरीके से करो. So don't speak many things, but speak in such a way that he gets interested in you.
Yes, sir.
Right, Shrestha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.